Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple CapCut editing tricks that creators use all the time, but almost nobody talks about it. So these are super easy, beginner friendly, and you can use them on CapCut mobile or PC like this. Let's jump right in. So the first trick is the clean motion blur. So you can just add your clips into the timeline and cut the exact moment your subject or camera moves. For example, I'm going to cut in here. So you can just split like this, and then you can go to effects and find the motion blur effects in here. This one, add it into the timeline, and you can lower the strain for smoothness. And if needed, you can also adjust the speed curves. So this will instantly hide harsh cuts and make your edit feels buttery smooth, just like pro vloggers do. So that's the first tip. And for the next one is the speed ramping. You can just tap on your clip. For example, I'm going to go with the second one in here, and then you can go to the speed option, choose curve, click on the custom, and you can add points and speed up at the movement part. This one doesn't have any movement, so I'm going to go with the third one, let's say. Okay, I'm going to go here and custom in here, and now you can add dots. Just click on a plus and you can speed up just like this. And after that, you can slow down the impact part. You can use this for B-roll shots, unboxings, gameplay highlights, so it will add so much energy. And the next one is the light leaks transition. So what you need to do in here is just click on transition and find the light leaks transition. You can choose which one. Let's say I'm going to just add this old film light leaks. Just click on a plus button and it will look like this. Or you can also use this retro light leak. Just like that. You can adjust the durations. If you want to make it more dramatic, you can make it slow by adding the duration of the transition. And the last one is the audio swipe tricks. So you can import whoosh or swipe sound effects. You can go to audio sound effects. Here, let's say I'm going to search for whoosh sound effects. This one. Okay, I'm going to click on the plus button and adjust it with the transition. Okay, just like that. It will sound simple edits will more cinematic when paired with the right audio, so you need to do this with some movement or transition like this. So that's it for simple editing tricks in CapCut. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.